Hello there, and welcome to this quick update on Hamster Kombat Interlude season. So this tutorial is about to show you what things you need to know about the Interlude season. So I'm going to be showing you what you need to be doing, because the Interlude season already has started. Now, first off, I don't know if you have seen it. Let me first show you from Hamster Kombat Telegram channel. Now look at it. Welcome to Interlude. Now let's go over it first so that you know the things you need to do. Welcome to Interlude. The game does not end with the snapshot. We are now entering the Interlude season of Hamster Kombat. The Interlude season is the warm-up before Season 2, and it will last a couple of weeks. Participating in the Interlude and farming diamonds will give you an advantage that will come in handy in the upcoming season. More diamonds, more benefits. So you need to see this. So welcome to Interlude season. So I'm going to be showing you the things you need to do, which I've started doing already. Also, I had to quickly study that to get straight to action. If you notice here, you see that I've gathered 3.54 diamonds, okay, already. Now, if you also come up here, you see that my diamond per hour is 0.1 right now, plus 0.1 right now, okay. Now, we're not talking memories about all that you did in season 1. Now, we have new today. These are games that were added, as soon as the event was, during the day on the 20th. So, new events, new today. You have Factory World, you have Among Water, you have Infected Frontier. These are games that we're going to play, okay, and play them for diamonds. So, first off, let's look at the things you need to know. If you notice now, tapping will not produce anything, only love emojis. All right, so we are not tapping now, except maybe later, but for now, nothing like tapping. So first things first, what do you do? What I encourage, if you come here, let's scroll down, if you come here to playground, if you go to playground, now you see, I already opened here, but when you open first, see where it will show you. These are all the games. So all of these games that we have been playing for keys have now been converted to games to play. We're not playing for diamonds. So meaning for each of them, you can grab up to 4 diamonds a day. But then, it's almost practically impossible, except you just sacrifice the entire day without doing any other thing for you to grab diamonds for all, right? And considering that these games are not the same and the difficulty levels differ based on the game, so you choose the games that are convenient and easy and simple for you and grab your keys. For example, for me, I prefer Chain Cube 2048. I've been playing what's it called now? Police Fair. I've been playing Zoo Police. I've been playing the twerk game for a long while, but I think I won't be spending too much time on them. But there are some that I know that are very easy. So then the mini games, you have the mini games, the move market candle. You know that we already moved this in an earlier video that I dropped on that. And then you have the hexa puzzles. Now for me, I've not played it because I already completed my targets for the day using it to gather coins, which I burned to get one card at level 25 for the season 1. So once it opens again, I'll come and play. All right, maybe if I could get up to 1 diamond or the 1 diamond or gem or 2, I don't know. The next is the mine cards. So this is very important. This is now you gather those diamonds to mine cards, and when you mine the cards, that's where your PPH or your diamond per hour comes in. Okay, so under here, when you come here the first time, you can see that these cards are here now for me. This card is, I pay 1 diamond to get this. Okay, this one was free. This one is free. Okay, this one is free diamond. So you play it and you get 0.05 diamond is free to upgrade. Okay, now if I check here, I see that my diamond is still where it is, 3.55. So let's go back there. So, and I'm going to wait for 6 hours because when I played the first one, I waited for some time for it to cool down. So you can see that this one I played earlier also is still cooling down, remaining 1 hour plus. So now where you need to go to now, if you come to missed opportunity before you go to new cards, you can see there's no missed cards. And I trust I'm not going to miss any card. All right, the only cards I missed in season 1 were cards that were shown or purchased before I joined Hamster Kombat. Outside of that, I'm not sure I missed any card. All right, so let's go to new cards now. So here now you have this card. I pay 1 diamond to get this card, and the return profit per hour is 0.05 diamond. This one is 2 diamonds, all right, and the return is 0.1. This one is 2 diamond I pay to get 0.1. So let's start with this, okay, because I have just 3.55 diamond there, okay. Or alternatively, let me start with the 2 first. Let's do this one. Business areas are expanding. We are opening new businesses. So let's do this. Okay, so I've paid 2 diamonds now. So I go back there again. You can see that this one now is now inactive because I've used up this. Okay, so let's go back to new again. So I pay for this one now that is only 1. I grab that. Okay, now the next thing to do is, how do you get diamonds now to boost your PPH? So that, because your PPH now, if I'm away now, I can see I'm half plus 0.3 now. If I'm away, it will be working for me per hour. So that means in 1 hour, it gets 0.3. In 3 hours, it gets me 0.9. Okay. Now, what to do? Friends, just go straight to earn. That's where I went to already. You can see here now. If you watch this video, all these tasks, carry out all these tasks. I've watched these 2 videos. All right. Top 12 businesses with low failure rates. I've watched it. The SEC delays Coinbase case. So I've watched it too, but the timer is still you know that for every video you watch on Hamster Kombat tax, you wait for 1 hour for it to be validated. So 12 minutes more remaining for the moderation check to complete, so I can claim my reward, which is +1. So these are the places you get 1 diamond. So like here now, you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what it means is that if you invite from here 3 friends, you get 3 diamonds. Now you know that I've already invited what's it called, up to 14. Of course, if you come to my channel now, your friends list from season 1 are carried over into season 2, so which is a good thing. Hamster, thank you for carrying over our friends list into interlude, and of course into season 2. So meaning that you will not lose your friends. So I continue. So now you can see that that's already, I have only 14 friends, and I'm trusting that this season, in the interlude and also in the new season 2, I'm going to really increase my sphere of friends. We're going to bring in new people to play this season 2, because people who never believe, by the time we receive our airdrops, I believe they will not believe to join Hamster Kombat and other games. Okay, so let me still scroll down. So I've got 7 friends, so I get another key, a set of keys, 8 keys. Absolutely. Now the next target is 12, which I've got also, so I get 12 keys. So you can see how I've got, in fact, for those who have got up to 25 friends rather, they are going to get up to 35 keys. So look at the number of keys I've got here now. 3, 8, 11 plus 12, which is 23. You can imagine if I have 25 friends already, if you have 23 plus 35, that will take it to 58 in an instant. So this is Beef Hamster. Thank you again for carrying forward our friends list into the interlude season, and from there into this season 2. So you can see that right here, right now, I've already added how many friends? 3, 8, 11 plus that's 23 friends, 23 diamonds rather. Now, follow on X. You know that I already followed on X. So if I tap here, it will wait for 1 hour because we already were following on X. Okay, if not, I'm still going to go back here, but let me finish this because I don't want to navigate away from this place. So now next is join our TG, which I've joined already, it will still, you can see we are here already. So I'm sure it will now start checking again to moderate. Okay, so okay, good. So I've got that one. So now or the what's it called now? The Facebook is checked, Instagram is checked. All right, so you now see how many diamonds I've got here. You can count 1, 2. In fact, by the time this one completes in 12 minutes, so you now have. So let's just calculate how many I've got here now, including this one that is being checked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X, I'll still do that 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 8, which is 17 plus 12, 29 diamonds have I got here. So if you go back here now, you can see I have 4, and I have now. There are about 3 I have not used yet. You know about that. You know that I have not used 1. I've not received 1. I've not received 2. Okay, so I've not received 2 out of 29. Then the one, some of those I've used to purchase cars. So what you do now, I go back to playground. Now I have 24.57 cars. So let's go back to playground, and then we go to cards, mini cards, mine cards rather, mine cards. So go to new. All right, so go to new because these ones are still cooling down 6 hours. So you need to be up and doing on this. So only one card is left here. So I'll just buy. Okay, and so we'll be waiting for them to add new cards. So having got 22 diamonds left now, so my profit per hour is now plus 0.4 diamonds per hour. Okay, so hoping that new cards will be added so that we can mine more to be able to boost that, because at least if one can get up to, can you imagine getting up to 10 diamonds or 100 diamonds per hour? It will be interesting. So let's see how it goes. I hope you've got value with this. So now the next thing I'll quickly show you is the games now, so which I've pointed out already. The mini games, Hexa Puzzle. Here now we'll be playing Hexa Puzzle. Now the Hexa Puzzle game, we're gathering coins in season 1. So in this interlude is diamonds, but the diamonds you'll be gathering are coming in decimals, not in full. So when you match blocks and they collapse, it's not one full diamond you get. It will be 0 point something, depending on the size of what you collapse, what you match and collapse. So 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.12, 0 0.01, 0. So don't worry. I'm going to, once it opens for me to play for the new day, I'm going to record it and then you see it. So, and then of course the candle, move candle, market candle now. This time is now move market candle and get diamonds, no more get keys. All right. So also remember to play these other games. Okay. So choose your games and play and grab your diamonds. I believe that I've exhausted the things you need to know so that you can begin to thrive in the interlude season. Welcome to interlude season as you prepare for season 2. Now on the airdrop section, you can see that everything is still waiting. Now for me, you can see it's saying here, okay, now please, this is a warning for those of you, if you're watching and you have not completed your off-chain address addition to the, you have not added your off-chain address, you have up till 9 a.m. Nigerian time this morning, which is 8 a.m. UTC today, to complete it. If not, well, that means that it is this is off chain, right? The off chain, yeah, the off chain address. No, if you don't add it and it's 8 o'clock UTC or 9 o'clock a.m. Nigerian time, that means that they will be sending your token, Hamster token, to the on-chain address that you added, that was there before. But go ahead and do it so that you don't miss out on good things. Okay, now so we'll be waiting now 5 days to count down to listing date. Okay, so now down here you see that the token for results, we are waiting. They are still calculating our results, and once they are ready, they will post them here. Of course, once I see mine, I'll be the first to show you mine so that you see. Okay, and I want to also seize the opportunity to thank all of you for the support throughout this period. I sincerely appreciate all of you. All you guys are the best. You are the very best, and I trust to continue to serve in giving you quality information, tutorials, guide to make the most of Web3 projects, giving you Web3 solutions that will put money in your pocket, fill your bank account with money. That's what I am for on this channel. And you want to watch out for projects, guides, tutorials, and solutions that will really open the horizon for you to make money, because it's all about making money with Web3. All right, I appreciate you so much. Remember to join my Telegram channel where we'll be putting all of the combos and all of that. And in fact, something is cooking in the next 8 days. I'm going to be making a video. Watch out for that video today. All right, something's really cooking and it's an airdrop you shouldn't miss. Okay, I appreciate you so much. Go ahead, subscribe, like, and share this video. And let's see you in the next. Thank you and God bless you.